pattern heading into tomorrow. I say a dry pattern, but I am tracking a weak disturbance that moves in just the next couple of hours. That's going to be bringing in some light showers heading into your Wednesday morning commute. But right now we're looking at a temperature of 46 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, at least for the time being. Again, right after midnight, basically between midnight and 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, we'll start to see some of those light showers move through. Temperature wise, relatively mild out there, thanks to that cloud cover keeping us a little bit more comfortable. Low to the mid 40s throughout much of the metro area. 48 degrees throughout Troutdale. East side of the state, you're looking at temperatures below freezing. No big surprise. It is in eastern Oregon and the middle of winter, right? Highs earlier today topped out in the upper 40s to low 50s, just a couple of degrees shy of where we should be for this time of year at the Portland International Airport. Along the coast, it was the upper 40s to low 50s, and that's basically what we saw all across the Pacific Northwest. So here's a look at the almanac. So today's high at 50 degrees, averages at 50. Record 64 degrees. Of course, we saw some record temperatures basically going into last weekend. Of course, Friday, Saturday, into Sunday, we saw a little bit of the warm temperatures out there. And so far, we've been seeing some light amounts of rain so far this month. But we'll start to see maybe add a little bit to it tomorrow, but not by much, less than 1/10 of an inch. So it kind of gives you an idea of just how weak this disturbance is. Picking up a little bit of some snow showers throughout the Oregon Cascades. We're going to kind of dial down the amount of snow you saw just from a couple days ago. I'll show you that in a second. But again, later on in the coming weekend, we'll start to see the snow showers pile up. But for the time being, well offshore, we're starting to see some drier weather. But as we put Futurecast into motion, you can see basically between 6 and 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, that's that short window where we'll be seeing some rainfall amounts and just big. Not a whole lot in terms of rain, because by lunchtime in the early part of the afternoon, we really start to dry out. We're going to be seeing some patchy areas of fog with those low clouds. We'll start to see some areas of drizzle throughout the morning commute, a little bit into the late morning hours as well. But here we are going into Thursday. We'll start to see another dry stretch, basically Thursday through Friday and into the first part of the weekend as well. You can see a little weak disturbance kind of moves through north of us, but we're not going to be seeing much in terms of measurable amount of rain over the next few days. Now along the Oregon coast, morning fog and drizzle, daytime highs just a couple degrees cooler from where we were at earlier today, topping out in the upper 40s to low 50s. And throughout the Oregon Cascades, you're going to be seeing some pockets of freezing rain, a light accumulation of snow up high, snow level at 3,500 feet. Daytime highs tomorrow right around the upper 30s to low 40s. Now I want to show you some video that was sent in from Mount Hood Meadows earlier today. A little bluebird day. We were kind of stuck in the clouds down throughout the valley, but take a look at that. Beautiful conditions up there. And heading into the Oregon Cascades later on this weekend, you're definitely going to be seeing a decent amount of snow. Of course, this weekend is the holiday weekend. You're going to be looking at close to a foot of snow basically from Saturday night and the early part of next week. Throughout the metro area, we're not going to be seeing any snow. We're going to be seeing areas of fog, temperatures close to 50 degrees with drier conditions heading in the later part of the day. And on the 7-day forecast, Laurel, we'll start a nice dry stretch basically from Thursday all the way into Saturday. Clouds increase late Saturday night and into Sunday in the early part of next week, as we could be seeing some snow showers throughout the mountains. And paying attention to late Monday night and into early Tuesday morning, temperatures will be just above freezing. There could be some light accumulation throughout the West Hills, but at this point it looks like there's not going to be enough precipitation to see any accumulation. So it looks like we're still looking at a dry stretch, or I should say a goose egg, for the year 2022. Of course, we got about 4 inches of snow late last year, a 5-day stretch basically. Since then, it's been very quiet on the lowlands in terms of snow.
I gotta say, that video though you show of Meadows makes me wish I'd been there today.
I know. I was up there a couple weeks ago and it was stunning. So
thank you, Joe.
Hopefully we'll get another round soon.